let's make this soft, fluffy, perfect, and delicious eggless, no bacon cake. This was nothing but perfect, and I'm going to do it again. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my channel. So I have with me here 2 sticks of butter and 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm just going to mix it very well so it becomes smooth. Okay, thank you. So I got a DM from a follower on Facebook. She requested for this. Yes, so as this is smooth, I'm just going to add my vanilla extract, and I'll be using just a tablespoon of vanilla and then continue mixing. Okay, thank you very much. So that's the vanilla I've added. So when she sent me the message, she told me she's allergic to egg and she want me to do this for her. So until yesterday I saw another message from her. So I'll be adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half cup of heavy cream, and then we will add the next ingredients. So yesterday I saw her message again that she doesn't want me to bake the cake. It was very late, but I was like, oh no, let me do this for this woman. So I've added 1.5 cups of milk. I used whole milk. Okay, so I was like, let me do this for this woman. Yes, because she told me earlier that she will be celebrating the child's birthday and that's the cake she wants to do. Okay, yes, but I promised her that I will be doing it for her. She gave me some time because when she told me it was left with 5 days for me to come home, and where I was earlier, oh my goodness, that oven, it was one of the useless oven I've ever met in my life. So I was pour it in my baking pan, then we proceed. So yesterday when I saw the message, I said, no, let me do it for this woman. I have to do it, and it is the first time I'm making this, so I have to do it. And this is the first video. This is the first videos I made this yesterday. That was 19th January. And check a bit yes, yeah, that them yeah, the videos in Weber. So I placed it in my microwave since I've not made it before. I entered 40 minutes. That was the time, but it was too much. I didn't know microwave can cook food faster than oven. I didn't know. So I stopped the oven at I stopped the microwave at 18 minutes. So 18 minus 40, that would be 22. So I used 22 minutes. But see, it was too much. You can just make it between 12 minutes to 15 minutes because the bottom was a bit dry. Yes, so adjust the time for me, and in all, this was good, and I'm going to try it again. Thank you, dear follower, for this beautiful video, and I do appreciate it. If you have any video for me, please just leave it in the comment section or DM me. I'm going to try it. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye. I know I'm done with a voiceover, but I think this is going to be very helpful for someone. The next day, our cake has become hard. I left it outside. I didn't put it in the fridge, and I didn't cover it well. Okay, that is what I got to know. I didn't cover it well, but I'm very sure that if you put it in the fridge, it is going to be hard, and the weather condition is also part. Worry not, there's something that you can do to make it soft again. Just microwave it for 30 seconds and voila, you are good to go. Thank you for your understanding, and see you in the next one. Bye.